y'all, we just got La La Land. La La Land is back there somewhere. It's right there. Anyways, we just got some La La Land. I got an upside down latte. So good. Decaf. I'm not drinking coffee, by the way. But anyways, we're going to go squishy hunting at Learning Express and then maybe Hallmark if they have any squishies. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever we get to Learning Express. Cheers. Hey guys, we've made it to Learning Express and Hallmark. First, we're gonna go in Hallmark. I wanna see first, just to see. I think I see some squishies in there. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. She is so done with me buying squishies. Like, I'm getting out of hand, but it's okay. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm low-key seeing some squishies like right there. I don't know what those are. Let's go check it out. This one's heavy. Ooh, I want to get this one. I want to get one of these. This one's heavy. They have like Peachy Baby slime, which is really popular. Here's like all of their squishy looks, guys. They have the squishy duck. I think I'm gonna get one of the orange duck. I think they have the squishy butter. Because I think they might have some. How much more do they have left? Oh, this one's okay, so there's these big giant bananas, but they're $28.99 for like this. There's these like sand ones. These ones are cool. These, what are these? Like pickles? There's this like gold bar. When I'm telling you, it was crowded. There was so much going on, but we got some squishies. I really was hoping that they had the squeezy butter, but they didn't. That's okay, as long as we got some squishies. It is time for a haul, people. You guys have been waiting for this. We got two things. I think first I want to do the dumpling because, like, you know, I'm really super duper excited because it feels heavier than the other ones. Oh, hold on. You need to wipe your hands. Make sure you wipe your hands whenever you're getting out of like any store. You know. Let's open this. If I don't get any of like the multicolor or whatever, I want like the pink, the blue, or the white. And I only want the green. Wait, I'm really excited. Ooh. This is so heavy though. The little dump. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! We got clear! Do it! Oh my gosh! And it's meant ASMR. I don't even care if this isn't even real. It's so cool. We got the gold one! knew it. I absolutely knew it. Okay, well, we got the glitter dumpling. That's crazy. Okay, now we have Learning Express. First I got this sparkly duck. It's really cool. It's actually really popular right now too. It's actually a really good squishy too. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's like a sugar. Ooh. It's a really good squishy. I like it. I choked. The color too. Okay. 10. Glitter dumpling, 10 out of 10. Probably like a glitter dumpling, but it's like glitter. That's real, but I mean, I don't really care if it's like fake or real. This is cute. I'm gonna save the best for last. I got this.
That one's mine.
No. This capybara. It's a squeezy capybara. Texture is my swisher. Because my swishers that I got them from Learning Express. It's a capybara. This mark. Oh my god, that is so good. The wax ball is already cracked. We're gonna take off the tape. Ah, it's all over my hands! Okay, you know what? We're just gonna wax. So here's the wax cracking ball. It looks really good. It has wax, and then this is like kind of sticky. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yo, we literally spent $8 on this wax cracking ball that barely even worked. It sucked. Oh my gosh. I'm about to sue whoever made this.
Go back in there again. Okay.
And then
This is the lamest $8 I've ever spent.
Just to let y'all know, after we made this video, it literally popped open. It was so bad. It broke and it sucks. And now it's like a green color. It's so bad.
Gosh, no. It's so bad, and now it's turning like ugly colors. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, anyways, that's it for today's squishy haul. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.